In the world of fashion, few names shine as brightly as Kim Kardashian's. Her shapewear line, Skims, revolutionized the industry with its inclusive sizing and innovative designs. But behind the brand's success lies a legal drama that threatened to unravel everything. A $5 million lawsuit over allegations of privacy invasion and unauthorized data tracking. How did Skims, a brand built on trust and empowerment, find itself in such hot water? Launched in 2019, Skims quickly became a household name, offering products that celebrated every body. But in May 2024, Skims was hit with a class action lawsuit that accused the company of secretly collecting user data through tracking technologies without consent. The plaintiffs alleged that Skims used metapixel technology to monitor website visitors' interactions, including search queries and product views, raising serious concerns about privacy and data security. The lawsuit detailed how Skims allegedly embedded Meta's tracking pixel, a piece of code that tracks user activity, into its website. This pixel purportedly captured data such as user search terms, products viewed, and even their geolocation. The plaintiffs claimed that this data was transmitted to Meta without users' knowledge or consent, constituting a violation of California's Invasion of Privacy Act. By using such tracking methods without explicit consent, companies can gather sensitive information about users' online behavior, preferences, and habits. This not only breaches privacy, but also undermines trust between consumers and brands. Now, let's break this down. Under California's Invasion of Privacy Act, companies are prohibited from intercepting communications without permission, which can include tracking user behavior without consent. If proven, this could lead to significant legal consequences and financial penalties. This law was designed to protect consumers in the digital age, especially given how often our personal information is collected online. Metapixel is a popular tool used by businesses to track customer interactions and optimize their marketing efforts. It essentially collects data about your activities on a website, helping companies target ads and measure their effectiveness. While this is legal in some cases, it becomes problematic when it's done without informed consent. In response to the allegations, Skims denied any wrongdoing. A representative stated that the claims had no merit and that the company was committed to protecting user privacy. They emphasized that Skims, like many businesses, uses tracking tools to improve user experiences but does so within legal boundaries. It's common for companies to use tracking technologies to analyze website traffic and improve user experience. However, the legality and ethics of such practices hinge on transparency and user consent. After months of legal proceedings, the lawsuit was settled unconditionally. Legal documents revealed that the settlement would lead to the dismissal of the case, though it's unclear if monetary compensation was involved. This resolution brought an end to the legal dispute but left lingering questions about data privacy practices in the fashion industry. In many cases, settling a lawsuit can be a way for companies to avoid prolonged public scrutiny. However, it's also an acknowledgement that a serious issue existed. The settlement may have ended the court case, but the conversation about privacy is far from over. This isn't just about Skims. It's part of a broader conversation about consumer privacy in the digital age. Many consumers are unaware of the extent to which their online activities are tracked and analyzed. The Skims lawsuit serves as a reminder of the need for greater transparency and stricter regulations regarding data collection practices. Consumers have the right to know how their data is being used and to have control over it. Companies must be held accountable for respecting privacy and obtaining informed consent. This case raises an important question. How many of us take the time to read the fine print before clicking accept on those consent forms? Many companies collect vast amounts of data from you, but are they being upfront about it? Consumers today are more informed and demanding when it comes to their privacy. Brands are being held to higher standards than ever before. If you want to succeed, you have to show transparency. This means telling customers exactly what data you're collecting and how it will be used. The reality is that businesses, even giants like Skims, have to keep evolving with public expectations and legal standards. It's no longer just about selling a product. It's about building and maintaining trust with your audience. As consumers, it's crucial to stay informed about the digital tools and technologies we interact with daily. Review privacy policies, adjust your data sharing preferences, and support brands that prioritize transparency and ethical practices. Together, we can foster a digital environment where privacy is respected and trust is paramount. Stay informed, stay secure, and always read the fine print.